and he flies into it. I get lower.
Okay.
And he flies into it, right?
Okay.
He's gonna fly right into that net.
Okay.
He's gonna be in there, and then I'll rip it off so he can't. Ready?
Yeah. So you have to make sure it goes in, honey. Oh, look, I see a way it can escape.
I can see a way he can escape.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Where is he? Ah! I don't actually see him in there anymore.
Maybe he got out.
He might have.
Oh, you know what else?
Wait, do you definitely...
Until he's like against
No,
the
you're
wall.
not.
No, I'm going until he's against the
You catch
wall.
him like. Have you ever caught
Do you
a dead
understand what I'm
long
saying?
legger?
Yeah.
He's gonna be against the wall. He's not gonna be moving.
Here's what you see.
And then I'm gonna put my thumb around him and then just like this.
No, here's how you have. Oh no, Eli, that's not how you grab a bird. I'm getting you another glove. Don't do a thing. So I get you another glove.
He's not gonna bite you. Where is it?
No idea where he is.
Maybe it flew out already.
Wait, which glove do you have? What glove do you have? Here's the other glove.
He might have gotten out. You shine your light in there? Here.
I do not see him.
There he is. He's in the back right corner. I see his little eyeball.
Oh my gosh, he is back there. I can't wait till he flies around the house.
Where's that? Did you get him?
No, I don't think he's gonna fly around the house. He's. Hey, bird. Hey, he flew around the house.
Maybe we should have opened the door.
That would have been the start. Wait, why don't we have the
Oh,
Where is he?
back door. Open up the back door.
Ah, Jesus!
No, where is he?
Oh!
Where'd he go? Oh no! Where'd he go?
Somebody prop the front door open. Prop the front door open. I'm gonna swat him back there from this.
Here he goes. Come here, birdie.
There it goes. Well, now that window.
Where is he?
Right there.
Okay.
God. Is the back door open?
I don't know where he is.
Okay, we still haven't. We haven't even opened.
There he is, there he is.
Hold on. Let me open the back door before you scare it.
Okay.
Why is it not leaving the front door open?
I'm so afraid that I'm gonna. Yay!
Did it go out?
Yep. We did it!